Picture this. You're scrolling through Fiverr, searching for interesting gigs to offer. Suddenly, you stumble upon a goldmine. There are sellers on Fiverr who are making big bucks selling captioning services for Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and YouTube Shorts. And the best part? It is not that hard. Stay tuned because I will show you how. Let's take a closer look at these amazing sellers and the potential they hold. Seller 1 offers a range of packages starting from an affordable $20, going all the way up to an astonishing $170. With such diverse options, there's something for everyone's budget and requirements. Similarly, Seller 2 has crafted their packages to cater to a wide audience. Their pricing structure mirrors Seller 1, ranging from $20 to $170. It's incredible to think about the opportunities that lie within these price points. Just imagine, with packages that fit every budget, you can attract clients from various backgrounds. The potential for growth and profitability of this service is truly remarkable. This is how I started an AI side hustle and made $25,000. All right, let's jump right into the steps to kickstart your journey with this exciting side hustle idea. Kindly be aware that this is not a guide on editing techniques. Instead, I will demonstrate how to streamline the captioning procedure through automation. Now, let's proceed to the initial step. Step 1. Ensure that you have CapCut, a fantastic video editing software, downloaded and installed on your PC or laptop. CapCut is an incredibly user-friendly tool that will assist you in creating captivating videos with ease. Once CapCut is up and running on your device, it's time to gather some enthralling videos to work with. However, remember to use copyright-free videos to avoid any legal issues. There are plenty of websites and platforms available where you can find a wide range of copyright-free videos to choose from. Once your project is set up, it's time to import the selected videos into CapCut. This process is incredibly simple. Just locate the videos you want to work with on your computer, and with a few clicks, bring them into your project. And voila! Your chosen videos are now ready to be transformed into engaging masterpieces using CapCut's powerful editing features. Remember, one of the key features that set CapCut apart is its ability to generate captions automatically using AI technology. As you continue to work on your project, you can also utilize CapCut's AI captioning tool to enhance the accessibility and engagement of your videos. To create captions, simply go to the Text tab and then select Auto Captions. You can choose the desired language for the captions, but for now, let's keep it in English. Click on the Create button, and you won't need to manually type each word because the captions will be automatically generated. After the text is generated, I suggest reviewing the entire video to ensure the captions are accurate. You can easily edit the captions by clicking on the text in the timeline. But that's not enough. You can customize the captions to make it more attractive. You can watch short-form videos like Alex Hermosa's Instagram Reels and make them an inspiration for your video edits. With your videos edited and captioned to perfection, are you now ready to take the final step towards showcasing your talent and attracting clients? But before that, let's not forget the importance of creating a captivating thumbnail for your Fiverr gig. This thumbnail will be the first impression potential clients have of your services, so it's crucial to design something eye-catching and representative of your unique style. Make use of platforms like Canva to create a visually stunning thumbnail that accurately represents your video editing skills and attracts clients to explore your Fiverr gig. Once done, you've completed all the necessary steps to prepare yourself for success in this side hustle. Now, it's time to head over to Fiverr and publish your first gig, showcasing your expertise in editing Instagram Reels, TikTok videos, and YouTube Shorts with captivating captions. By following these steps, you've successfully completed all the necessary preparations to launch your side hustle with confidence. Now, it's time to take the next exciting step, heading over to Fiverr and publishing your very first gig. Craft a compelling gig description that emphasizes the benefits clients will receive by choosing your services. Clearly communicate the value you bring, such as enhancing the engagement, accessibility, and overall appeal of their videos. Additionally, don't forget to set a competitive price for your services. Consider factors such as the complexity of the projects, the time and effort required, and the value you provide. And there you have it. If you find any value in the video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for future videos.